Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I've stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you are mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it changes. Far beyond my reach is the future you promised. Now what I never even had, I have every reason to miss. And I don't know where I could find the strength to let you go, when the only life I've come to know packed his bags and left me alone. You found another home. So before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. And I'll just let my eyes forget that you are mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in. Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you are mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in.